it's time we've got 5 more minutes to go. So I'm going to take fantasy predictions from you guys. You've spoken a lot about Virat Kohli. How many of you are keeping Virat Kohli in your fantasy team? Pragyan, you will go last. You're the expert here. Yeah, the three of us will take from you. But before that, Pragyan, a question to you before we go into Riddhima and Rajashi's fantasy teams. 1 month later, rather a month and a half later, these same two will clash in Australia in perhaps the biggest cricket battle of 2020, Virat Kohli versus Steve Smith. So it's a bit of a rehearsal to that. I mean, two greatest batsmen, two greatest competitors, two of the strongest mentally. If someone can come out of concussion and play at Lords, I think Steve Smith is a revolution of our generation. Okay, Pragyan. So Virat Kohli versus Steve Smith tomorrow.
Definitely, as you said, this will be carried forward to, in 1 month's time, we see India versus Australia in Australia. And the biggest thing will be Australia. Last time when India went to Australia, they toured Australia, India beat them. And as far as I know, Aussies, they will not take it lightly. When they're playing at home, it is their domain, and they want to dominate. We've seen this right from the late 80s till now. We've seen they're always there. They're very aggressive. When they're at their home, they want to make sure this is our boundary, nobody can enter. But Virat Kohli and his team just broke open that and went and they won the series. And this will be an interesting series, and more so because there was no cricket, no international cricket for India for such a long time. So I think this IPL is a great platform to get some match practice for all the players, and it's a great opportunity for everyone if they do consistently well in IPL. You might see few new faces joining the Indian team. As Boryada, we were discussing the other day, you said the Indian team will be carrying 20
20.
to 25 players with them, because there was no cricket, and they have to have a big panel because they're going to Australia. You cannot just fly a new guy every now and then. You have to have a solid bunch of players practicing there and be ready, because we never had a cricket for so long. This is for the first time we had so much gap in international cricket.
Plus, there are concussion substitutes and quarantine rules of 14 days. So you've got to have a bigger bench strength in Australia. These are important points. Okay, so the way I'm going to go about this is Riddhima will give us the batsman for her fantasy team. Rajarshi will give us the bowlers of his fantasy team. Pragyan will give us an overall perspective, and we will also put out our team. By the way, this is Sports Days team. Huh? Don't say that why did you not win? That is finally your decision whether you win or not. So this is not Bible, but we are giving you some suggestions, and those suggestions we will put out in a screenshot format also. So play, enjoy with us, but don't hold us to it. If you hold us to it, your problem, not ours. Riddhima, your fantasy players in Rajasthan versus Royal Challengers of Bangalore, batsmen. Who are your wicket keepers and your batsmen? All rounders and bowlers will be Rajashri.
So my question is, before I go into it, what do I win?
Okay, what do you win? Okay, Pragyan will sign something for you and send it from one of his test match wins. That'll be something that you will win in terms of memorabilia. Or we will get you a signed copy of Playing It My Way. I've got some from Sachin, so I'll send you one of them.
Amazing, amazing. So now you can go for it, Radhama.
Now you go for it. So who are your batsmen and wicketkeeper?
Tewatia for sure.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to keep Virat because I feel that he's not going to go on a low scoring spree for too long.
There you go. There's the fan talking. There's this no sentiment, clear fan talking, picking Virat Kohli with 10.5 credit points. I love this. I absolutely love this. Okay, and who else? Three more.
We have to keep ABD if we're keeping Virat.
Yes. Do you want to get anyone like a Devdutt Padikkal or an Aaron Finch to shore that top order, or from the other side, Steve Smith or Sanju Samson?
I keep Steve Smith.
You'll keep Steve Smith. And your final call. So you've got Virat, you've got AB de Villiers, you've got Rahul Tewatia, you've got Steve Smith. So you can get one more. And who's your wicket keeper? Your options are Joss Butler, and of course AB de Villiers is keeping wickets, so he can keep wickets for you also. So one more batsman. Aaron
go for
Finch. Aaron Finch. So Riddhima's top order is quite solid. Huh? She's got Aaron Finch, AB de Villiers, Virat Kohli. She's got Steve Smith, and so that's her top order. She's got Rahul Tewatia, who will bowl some leg spin and will be the all-rounder. Rajarshi, add to that team. Add to that team.
I would have Jofra Archer for sure. He's my
Yes.
all-rounder. Jofra Archer when he gets going. Washington Sundar too. I'd like to see him being used better. Is he being used very well? Is he being? Rohit Sharma showed how to exactly use Washington Sundar in certain conditions. So you'd have to have him. Navdeep Saini, what a revelation this guy is every year. And this couple of spells he's bowled in the IPL 2020, mind-numbing. I definitely have Unadkat. Unadkat is the go-to bowler for IPL. And in these conditions, again, we've talked about conditions in the Middle East. Some of them have helped seamers, some of the pitches have gripped, but some of them have been absolute belters for batsmen. Unadkat is a standout. And Tom Curran's, some of his performances have been a revelation as well. And last but not the least, not forgetting Chahal. He's always such an impact, isn't he? The moment he comes onto ball, there is something happening. So yeah, that's it for me.
So what Rajarshi has done is balanced out the points also. Washington is on 8 credit points, Tom Curran on 8.5, Jofra's 9, but some of the others he's taken. Unadkat is on 8.5 Pragyan. So he's kind of balanced Riddhima's team in terms of giving them more meat and balanced out the 100 credit points thing. Your fantasy thoughts, Pragyan, for this game?
Buryada, I'll go with you. See, I love Virat Kohli. I love few players, but when it comes to fantasy 11, you have to have the rules that the fantasy thing follows. Okay, you cannot be little more emotional about your players, sentimental about. So I will go with the people who have been performing, like ABD. I'll go with Devdutt Pallikal. Then we have got Sanju Samson, then obviously Jofra Archer, Yuzi Chahal, then I think I've told AVD, isn't
yes,
it?
you have.
Yeah. Yes. So these are my top players, and then I'll go around them with a little bit of Washington Sundar, the way he's been bowling. I would have picked Virat Kohli if it was not my fantasy team. But if you see the current form, I'll go with people who have been doing well, because when we play, I've seen this myself. When you play cricket or football on a PS, you cannot follow the rules of the way you play in the ground. You have to play like it's a you're playing on PS4 or PS3, whatever it is. So same goes with fantasy. If you're making a playing 11 on the ground when they're going to play, then it's a different thing. But when it's fantasy 11, it's totally different. Who can get you those points and who are more inclined towards getting you points?
Very right. Okay, so on behalf of Pragyan, Riddhima and Rajarshi, let me give mine, and this is sort of our suggestions on sports today. Some very important points. 2 points. Make two teams. And when you play a mega league, okay, there are these mega leagues, there are these private leagues. When you play a mega league, do all the experiment in the world. That's your tip number 1 for fantasy. Why? Because in a mega league, say 40 lakh people are playing. So what are your chances of winning? Very minimal. So if your chances of winning are minimal, you take your punt. You take your punt and you experiment with anything you want. You're playing a private league, corporate league, between friends, housing complex, 5,000 people playing. Do a conventional team. Your chances of winning are massive. Don't take a punt because the others will not. This is your first tip of fantasy. So if you're playing a conventional team, absolutely take Virat Kohli, because that is what Virat Kohli is. And if you take Virat Kohli, make him captain, because if he delivers, he'll deliver big, like Riddhima said. He's just a score away, Pragyan said. But if you're making a mega league team, take a punt. Take a punt with the way I've gone. I've gone Butler, I've gone Smith, I've gone Samson, I've gone Padikkal, I've gone Finch, I've got de Villiers. So I've backed my top order, Butler and Virat on the same points, 10.5. In the middle, I've gone either Tewatia or Washington Sundar, 8.58. So I've balanced it. And then among my bowlers, I've gone with Yuzvendra Chahal and Jofra Archer, 9.9. So that leaves me with 8 credit points to close out. So who am I closing out? I've got my options in Ankit Rajput. He's on 8 credit points. I can close out with him. So that's how you make a fantasy team. Okay. So when you're playing fantasy, and also look out for the toss. Look out for the toss, because it is important what you hear captains. Why? Like in normal circumstances, and I'll give you the example, Hardik Pandya would have been in your fantasy 11 every game. But now Hardik Pandya is not bowling. So clearly, a Kyron Pollard who is starting to bowl will be more value than Hardik Pandya in terms of fantasy points, because he's got the option of giving you. So here the captain, here the coach at the toss, who's bowling? If somebody is carrying an injury, will he bowl? Will he not bowl? So these are important fantasy considerations. We'll keep talking to you on Sports Today on all this, but this was our first broadcast, folks. So support us, every one of you. You know, these are 3 rock stars I've got. Riddhima Pathak, absolute champion. I mean, in England, I loved your work. And that's why it was go-to taker. Pragyan Oja, been a real friend for me over the years. I mean, 200 wickets for India doesn't come easy. He's not one of those, you know, sort of, are aa gaya yaar. No, 200 wickets and a purple cap in the IPL doesn't come easy. Once in a lifetime. And Rajarshi, you and I have been working together for the last 12 years. My whole team at Sports Today, Vivek, Abhin, our technical team, everyone. Thank you very much for putting this together. The India Today platform, great platform to be in. Most importantly, this is your platform. Come here, be interactive, share your thoughts, subscribe to the channel, sign that notification on YouTube. We will keep coming back to you every single day with this panel and with exclusives. So till then, tomorrow for 24 hours, enjoy this broadcast. And thank you very much, Pragyan, Rajarshi and Riddhima. And to everyone who watched it, thank you for watching.
Thank you.